food critic and all-round foodie extraordinaire, Danny, is joining me today, and we're going to be cooking something very interesting.
I think they're interesting and they are also super fun.
Yeah.
We are going to make fortune cookies.
Oh, nice one. Well, first step is obviously getting the little prophecies right.
That's right. So the fortunes, you just want to, you can type them, you can write them. So just little pieces of paper about 1 centimetre wide. My kids have written these ones.
Yeah.
So I think they wrote this one for me. You will eat too much tomorrow. It's pretty much a sure prophecy.
Rain will make you smile. Really?
That's nice. Something will fall from the sky.
Yeah.
Could be good, could be disastrous, who knows?
So essentially we are making a cookie.
Yeah, like a twirl. So a mouldable cookie, we're going to mould it before it sets. That's always the trick.
Okay.
Let's get started?
Sure.
Okay, so we're just going to start by mixing up egg white with sugar.
Okay.
And we want it to get to, we don't want it stiff. We just want a little bit frothy and just starting to hold a shape.
I love how you're just doing it in a little sort of whizzer.
It's super easy. You could do it with a whisk, but yeah. No, don't want to sweat today.
Okay.
Yep.
How's that looking, Danny?
Yep, that looks amazing.
Okay.
So then it is simply a matter of adding our other wet ingredients. So I'm going to put in some melted butter.
Right. And everything's the same temperature, so melt your butter, make sure it's not too hot when you do add that to the egg white and sugar mixture.
We're going to add some water. And would you be so kind, Justine, as to put in half a teaspoon each of our almond extract and vanilla extract?
I love almond extract, but it is quite intense, so you just need a smallest amount.
You don't want too much. And again, look, up to you. If you've only got vanilla, fine. If you've only got almond, that's fine. If you don't have either, you can still make your cookies. They are for flavour rather than, they don't have any functional purpose.
Okay, a little splash of that.
Those smell so good.
I know. Excellent.
Okay, we'll mix that up.
Okay.
Perfect. And then we're just going to bring that together with flour and a little pinch of salt. Now, if you're using salt flakes, just give them a little crunch in your hands because we don't want the large pieces of salt in this mixture.
Crush that.
Yeah, you can just give them a little hand crush. And then we'll just, mix that up and that is done.
Oh, so easy. I love that we can do this in a mini food processor. No lumps, bumps, all done.
Absolutely perfect. So let's get our, our fortune cookie arena. Okay, so a silicone mat really makes this job easy. And we're using the flat side rather than the textured side, but if you've only got a textured one, it's fine too. Okay, can you pass this dessert spoon?
Sure.
And we're just going to form our little rounds and just pop that there. All right, and you just want them, just smooth it out.
Exactly like a twirl.
Yeah, exactly. And you want it to have no sort of gaps in it, but it will sort of even itself out as you go.
Is it going to spread out quite significantly?
No, it's not going to spread out. The reason that you're not going to do like 10 at once or whatever is because we need to shape them when they're warm. So if you're doing it with a bunch of people, like let's say you're doing it with, your kids or your cousins or your mates, then you could make more because everyone can have 1 or 2 to attack when they come out of the oven. But we'll start with 3 and see how we go.
So we're going to pop that in the oven. The oven is at 180 degrees, and roughly what are we looking for to bring them out and how long?
Yeah, so I say like 6 to 8 minutes, but what you're looking for is you want them to be a little bit golden brown around the edges. So you want them to be pliable but cooked.
Okay.
Nice and golden brown, so let's do it. And now it is all about moving fast. So can you please fold up a fortune? I'm going to flip this. We're going to get in there. Fortune on.
Oh, quick fortune.
Yeah, fortune in.
Okay.
And then we're going to fold it up. And I'm going to get it over here. Fiddle, fiddle. And in we go.
Okay.
Okay.
You really do
Flip
need
it.
to work fast.
You've got to work fast.
Yep.
And the colder the day, the faster you have to work.
Yeah. Oh, that's a goodie, that one.
Yeah. Now we're putting them into the muffin tin so that they hold their shape. Okay, go.
The one that's slowing us down is me, because I'm not getting my fortunes ready in time.
Beautiful.
Nice.
In we go. and that's it.
You can see you've got to work quite fast because they're pliable when they're hot. As soon as it starts to cool down, they'll crack on you. But a little bit of practice and you get the hang of it.
A little bit of practice, and you also get broken cookies to eat along the way, which is not a bad thing.
True.
Yep.
Well, I'll make sure I'm prepared this time. I'll have the fortunes already folded up, ready to go.
Okay, and I will make some more twirls.
Okay. Okay, so we've made a few good ones, but this one, not so good.
Yeah, that's why you got to do it fast.
You do. You can see it'll just break straight off if it chills too much.
You know what that means? It does mean that you get to eat cookie, but it also probably means that this was not the fortune that you wanted to have. Right?
Exactly. Do you know what I heard though? When there's no actual fortune in the cookie, that's good luck too.
Really? You really can't lose, right?
No. Let's plate these up. So these just cool down in the mould just so they keep their integrity and hold their shape. Look at that.
That is a beauty.
All right, Danny, let's see what our future holds. Dun, dun,
Big moment. Oh, I love that crack.
What have you got?
I got my true future. You will eat too much tomorrow.
We've already read that one. Guess what mine is?
What?
Rain will make you smile.
I'm sure it will.
Are you sure your kids didn't stitch us up and only put 2?
No, there is a great variety of fortunes, but these are the ones that are obviously meant to be.
Look, I love fortune cookies and I love them even more now that I know how to make them at home. Thanks, Danny.
It is an absolute pleasure.
So
And that tastes good.
Yeah.